Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll to the personal section and tap on backup and reset. And as you can see here, we've got a whole Google backup section, and the backup option is turned on. If you've got it turned off, let me show it to you, the backup account option won't be active. So just make sure that you will tap on this switcher, and now we can tap on backup account, of course, in order to add it. So after tapping on it, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And let's be patient. And from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on the stick icon, or simply on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so here we've got the information that your device will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here we've got the option automatic restore, which is right now of course activated. You can turn it off just by tapping on this switcher or turn it on the same way, and it means that when you will reinstall some apps, then your device will restore backed up settings and data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google backup in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.